Hi, yoga buddies! Today, we're going to get stronger together with the super fun body toning yoga flow. If you like yoga that makes you feel powerful and happy, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe so you can join all our yoga adventures. Let's move slowly, breathe deeply, and awaken your strength from the inside out. Ready? Let's begin. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Bend your knees as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back long, arms lifted overhead, and weight balanced on both feet. From standing, step 1 foot forward. Start on right side. Bend the front knee. Raise both arms overhead. Keep hips facing forward. Repeat on left side. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Body in a straight line from head to heels, wrists under shoulders, core engaged. From plank, bend your elbows close to your ribs, keeping your body straight and strong like a long line. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Sit with legs lifted in a V shape, arms reaching forward, back straight, core strong and steady. Lie on your back, bend your knees, press your feet into the mat, and gently lift your hips while keeping your head relaxed. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Knees under hips, arms stretched far forward, chest melting toward the mat. Now let's sit comfortably and breathe slowly together. Inhale soft, exhale gentle. Feel your body calm, strong, and happy. Just breathe with me for a little while. Amazing job, yoga buddy! You were super strong today. If you had fun, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves yoga too. See you next time for another magical yoga adventure. Namaste.